Instagram Reels are a great way of getting your content out in front of people. And so today I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to post your first reel. Let's jump in. All right, so when you open up Instagram, there's a couple of different ways to get to this. I find the easiest one is the plus sign up in the top left-hand corner. Click on that. And it's going to ask you down at the bottom if this is a post, a story, or a reel. We want to go to reel. And then click on the video that you want the reel to be, or you can click on the camera icon and post directly that way. But we already recorded a video, so I'm going to select that, and we're going to click next. It's going to start playing a little preview there, and I'm going to pause that. And you see there's a little arrow down in the bottom middle, and if you slide that up, it gives you the option to edit that. So if you have multiple clips, you can add those in. You see a plus sign, you can just add in as many clips that you want in there. In our case, we just have this video, but I do want to edit this a little bit and get rid of some of the beginning. So if you tap on that clip, then you'll see you get a little yellow bar on the left-hand side. We're just going to slide that over till right before I start talking, about right there. And then at the end, we can do the same thing. Grab that, slide it over until I am done talking there. Okay? And you could always slice it in the middle and edit it that way as well. Next, we're going to add some audio. So you see right below the video is an audio. Tap to add audio. So we're going to do that. And you can either import your own media, you see up there next to the search bar, or you can scroll through here and find some trending audio or ones that are just for you or original audio, whatever you want. We're going to go to trending, and I'm going to select one here. I'm just going to select the top one here. Click the arrow to add that. And then you can also pick which section we want. So let's say I just want this middle section here, and then we're going to hit done. And now you have the audio in there as well. And so now we have some music added to the reels. And this is a really important feature because this will help when people are searching for or being suggested certain trending audio. It's a great way to get your video in there. And I also wanted to mention that if you're looking to grow your business on Instagram, we've put together a free resource for you. It's a free Instagram business kit. And this covers how to get followers, navigate algorithm updates, and measure your results. Plus, it comes with post and story templates and expert guidance on hashtags, reel strategy like we're talking about today, and posting for maximum growth. It's completely free. All you have to do is click the link in the description and it's yours. Let's jump back in. And then next, right below the audio, you can see you can add text. So we're going to click on that and you can type in whatever you want. And then we're going to change the color of that. Let's make it yellow. I'm going to change the font to bubble, add some effects here. Let's make it kind of a neon, pulsing. And you could do all sorts of things just to customize that however you want. Once you get it the way that you want, you just hit done. And now you can slide that around down at the bottom where you want that to appear. So maybe I want that to be kind of in the middle where it pops up. I don't want it to be on my forehead, so I'm just going to tap up in the preview screen and slide it down where I want it. And now you can see that'll pop up at that key spot there. And now we have some text. You can add more text if you want, or different elements that way as well. And once you get it the way that you want it, you just go up to the top right-hand corner. You'll see a little blue arrow. We'll click on that, click continue. And now what we want to do, and this is very important, we want to change the cover photo. Right now it's just defaulting to a random screen grab in the middle of that, but we want to click edit cover photo, and we just want to find the right image. So maybe it's there, my face is kind of excited, and we click on the plus sign. And now that's going to be the one image that pops up when people come across this. Then you want to add a caption like that, hashtags, you can tag people in there, add locations, whatever you need to do that way, who sees it. And then when all that information is correct, you click next. It's going to tell you a little bit more about how the reels work, and click share. You can see the progress bar there of it being posted. And once that's finished, you can see it pops up there. And now people that follow you and run across your content will see it that way. And that's all you need to do to post your first reel to Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.